Have you ever wondered if the answer to better kidney health could be sitting in your kitchen cupboard right now? Imagine this. Just a single spoon a day, yes, really, could be all it takes to protect your kidneys and keep disease at bay. Today, let me share with you a powerful yet simple secret, inspired by the wisdom of Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a voice for natural healing across the world. I know how scary it can be. Maybe you or someone you love has faced the shadow of kidney disease, the struggle, the uncertainty, the endless medical talk. But what if hope could fit in the palm of your hand? Now here's the magic. There are humble herbs growing wild and green. Herbs like nettle, dandelion leaf, parsley, and even celery seed. These aren't just old wives' tales. They've been used for centuries to gently support our kidneys. All you need? Just a spoonful. Brew a simple herbal tea or sprinkle dried herbs onto your salads and soups. That's it. Every day, a spoonful of these green gifts can work quietly behind the scenes, nurturing your kidneys, reducing inflammation. But let's be real. No miracle comes from a spoon alone. This is about adding a small daily act of love to your routine. Drinking more water, moving your body, choosing fresh foods. It's not just about kidneys. It's about hope, about taking back a little control and feeling good knowing you're doing something positive for your body. I remember a story Dr. O'Neill once shared, a woman with early kidney troubles who began this simple habit. Over time, her doctor was amazed at her progress. So why not try it? Your future self might just thank you. Start with a spoonful, see how it feels. And most importantly, share your own story in the comments below. Have you tried herbal remedies? Are you curious to start? Let's learn from each other and spread a little green hope together. Remember, always check in with your healthcare provider before trying something new, especially if you have existing conditions or are on medication. But know this, sometimes the biggest changes start with the